Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Mindscape. Remember, we were solving gas puzzles because these are comparatively easier. We want to move ahead with the techniques. We want to understand the techniques moving ahead. I'm thinking that every day I can begin with a technique that I have learned, which will be easier when we apply it. So let's do that from the next video. Okay, let's start with this farewell 2024 puzzle. Okay, so standard Sudoku rule apply. We know standard Sudoku rule that in a box and in a row and in a column, digits will be from 1 to 9 and they may not repeat. Thermometers, digit along the thermometer strictly increase. If this is a 1, this is to be greater than or no, not or. It has to be strictly increasing, so it must be greater than 1. So let's say if it is 6, then this has to be greater than 6, 7 here, then 8 here, then 9. So this is not a possibility. 6 cannot be here because you see, if we are strictly increasing it, it is not spanning up in the whole thermometer. This is separated by white dot are consecutive, so digits separated by this white dot should be consecutive. If this is 1, then this is 2. If this is 3, then this can either be a 2 or a 4. So let's get started. I think we should start with thermometer. Let's see if we have. Let's see. Let's see the last digit, the minimum last digit that it can have. It's either, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this can have 8 minimum. So maximum is 9 then. So similarly, the maximum digit the top of thermometer can have is 2. We'll just mark it. It will become easier moving forward. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing here. So, since this is 9, 8, the consecutive number, if this is a 9, this definitely has to be 8. If this is an 8, this can either be a 9 or a 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if this is a 6, it can either be 5 or a 7. If this is a 5, it can either be 4 or a 6. This can go up to 7. So that means I'm marking similarly. Okay, fine. Let's leave this for now. Let's see if we can find pair anywhere. You see, we did find it. It's 1, 2 pair. Only these two cells can have 1 or 2. So this cannot be a 2. This has to be a 3. Then we solved for whole thing. If this is a 3, this is a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. If this is a 9, this is an 8. Okay. So since we have solved for this, can we just simplify this one? Okay. Does this 3 cancel out something? 4, no, 5, 8. Yeah, this 8 cancels this. Cannot have 8. So this is 7, this is a 9. So if this is 7, this is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then this becomes a 2. So we are simplifying this as well. It cannot have 8. This becomes a 9. Hmm. So this cannot be a 2, this is a 1. This cannot be a 7, this is a 6. So it cannot be a 7, this is 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so we just solved it. So if it is a 5, it cannot be a 6, so it has to be a 4. Okay. Okay. Let's see. 7, 8 is not here. 8, 9 is nowhere to be seen. 6 cannot be here. Can have 7, 8. So it can have 5 and 6. It can have 4, 5, 6. It cannot have 4, but it can have 3. It can have 5. It cannot have 4. But it can have 2 and 3. And it can have 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's see. This can have 1 because in these two columns we already have a 1. So same goes for 6, I guess. We have 6 here. Then we can do something similar here. This can be 7 or an 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 2, 3, and 9. This cannot have a 9. But 2 and 3 and 9. This is a 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. But 8 cannot be here, so it's 8 and 7. Okay, so can we do something here? These two cannot have 3. This is a 3. And then this can be 1 or a 2. Yes. Then 8 and 3. Okay. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 can be anywhere. 6 can be anywhere. 7 can be anywhere. So yeah, it is not making sense to mark something here. Let's see if we can do something here. 6 and 3. 3 cannot be here. 3 cannot be here. 3 is here. Okay. 1 and 2, 3, 4. We have 4 here, 1 and 2. If this is a 1, this is a 2. If this is a 2, this cannot be 1 or a 2. So 2 has to be here. Oh, 2 is here. 2 is here. So 2 has to be here. So 1, this can be a 2. Okay, but if this is a 4, this can be a 5 and 3. So it can either be 1 or a 4, or a 2 or a 5. Fine. So this is a 1 2 pair. Okay. Let's see 9. 9 has to be here. Hmm. Not. We didn't get anything specific, but yeah, not bad. 8. If we do 8 here, 8 and 7 is a possibility. Let's not do this. Let's see what we can have here. So, can we have one? We cannot have one, but we can have one here. We can have two here. There's two, and there's 3, 5, 6. What? Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Right. So it's 3 and 5. So this can be 3, 5, 6. This cannot be a 5, right? Because if this is a 5, okay, 7, 6, 6. This cannot be a 6. This cannot be a 5. This cannot be a 3. This cannot be a 3 or a 2. So it's a 3, 2, 1. 1. Okay, fine. And we know that this is a 1 2 pair. So this is a 1. Right. Okay. I think we can go ahead with the thing that we do. I think yeah, that's fine for now. Let's see. Yeah, I think we already marked for 9, right? Let's do for 8. We can have 7 there. So I'm marking it. Fine, let's just mark it as 8. Let's see for 7. 7. Yeah, I think. Yeah, 7 has to be here. So this can just be a 7. 7 or an 8. Okay. 6. 6 and 6. 6 and 6. 6 has to be here, so it's 6 and 7. And this is a 5, right? Okay. This is a 6. This is an 8. This is a 5. This is a 4. But let's just see what it can do. 9. Okay. So 999, 999, 999, 8. Did we get all the 8s then? I don't think so. Some of them, yes. Okay. So we just have to remove this 8. 7. I think 7 was the one when we resolved it, right? But yeah, any which way. Let's see what it is. Yeah, 7, 6. I think 6 was the one. Yeah, I'm so good at my. So sorry. I'm so bad. I'm so bad at remembering things. Just don't remember anything. This is for the just mark it. Let's just not wait. 1. Okay. So let's do it for 5. 7 and 2. Okay. Let's see for 5. And then the 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. But isn't this is a 5? This is a 7. Sorry, not a 7. Then what? 3. Sorry. This is the 4. Okay, 4. 3. Yeah, definitely this is not a good way to do it, but like this simplifies things for me right now, and I do like this technique. So I'm going ahead with it. There are many uh, other players that apply the correct technique. And anyhow, what I think is there is no right or wrong with it. You just see what is working for you, what is not working for you, and then you just move ahead. So yeah, I think we have reached 3 and we resolved it for 3. Let's see for 2. Can we not have 2 here? I think we cannot because of this. Let's see for 1. Yeah, as I said, there is no right or wrong. Just go ahead and see what is working for you, what is not working for you. Think eventually the goal is to come up with a solution, and I think yeah, this is working for me pretty well. As you see, like since I have already marked it, it has become easier for me to just go down and mark the remaining places. 6 7 pair. Yeah. Yeah, we're done with it. Thank you guys for joining me. Please do please I hope that you follow my channel. Subscribe, yeah, it's your wish. It's just a fun channel. So yeah, your wish.